Hey there, future plant whisperer. Ever dreamed of plucking a tomato you grew yourself? Or just want an excuse to play in the dirt? You're in the right place. Gardening isn't just a hobby. It's a ticket to fresh food, fresh air, and bragging rights at dinner parties. Trust me, nothing beats the thrill of harvesting your own veggies, even if your first carrot looks like it's seen better days. Plus, plants are the best listeners. Stressed? Go talk to your basil. It won't judge. And here's the secret. You don't need a PhD in botany to start. If you can open a bag of soil, you're halfway there. Gardening is for everyone. Kids, adults, even that neighbor who thinks plastic plants are low maintenance. Start tiny. A single pot on your windowsill or a recycled yogurt cup on your balcony is all you need. Herbs, flowers, veggies. If it fits in a pot, you can grow it. Every plant is a new adventure. Sometimes you win, sometimes you compost. Patience is key. And hey, if you forget to water once or twice, your plants will forgive you. Probably. So get messy, try new things, and remember, every mistake is just a plot twist in your gardening story. Ready to dig in? Let's grow something amazing together. Hold up. Before you grab that trowel and go full plant parent, let's talk about the secret sauce to a thriving garden. Planning. First, find your garden's VIP section, the sunniest spot you've got. Plants are basically solar powered and they want front row seats. Most veggies and flowers need at least 6 hours of sunshine a day. No shade-loving divas here. Next up, what's on the menu? Veggies, herbs, flowers, or a little bit of everything? Pick your plant squad. Whether you're dreaming of salsa ingredients, fresh basil, or a pollinator paradise, the choice is yours. But wait, don't forget your soil. Test it, poke it, get to know it. Your plants will thank you. Knowing your soil type is like reading the recipe before you cook. It's the difference between May and marvelous. Grab a soil test kit online or chat up your local nursery. They love talking dirt. Now, channel your inner architect. Sketch out your dream garden, even if it's just stick figures and squiggles. This helps you see the big picture and avoid the classic, oops, I planted the pumpkins and the petunias mistake. Plus, you'll give your plants the elbow room they need to grow big, strong, and Instagram-worthy. Okay, let's be real. Picking plants is like speed dating for your garden. So many options, so little space. But don't panic. Start with the easy crowd pleasers. Lettuce, spinach, and radishes, total MVPs for beginners. But here's the twist. Check your local weather. Some plants are sunbathers, others want to chill in the shade. Not sure what'll thrive? Your local nursery is basically the garden matchmaker. Ask them for the inside scoop. And here's a pro tip. Some plants are total BFFs. It's called companion planting. Think of it as the ultimate garden buddy system. For example, basil is like tomato's personal bodyguard, keeps the bad bugs away and makes your sauce taste amazing. Don't be shy, mix it up. Gardening is all about experimenting and having fun. Try new combos, see what works, and remember, every garden is a little adventure. Let's talk about the real MVPs of your garden, the tools. Spoiler alert, you don't need a shed full of gadgets to get started. Seriously, just a handful of basics will have you growing like a pro. First up, the hand trowel, your trusty sidekick for digging, planting, and feeling like a garden ninja. Next, the hand rake. It's like a magic wand for smoothing soil and banishing pesky debris. And don't forget a watering can, because your plants deserve a spa day, not a flood. Gloves are a must, unless you want your hands to look like you wrestled a rose bush. Trust me, you don't. As your garden grows, so can your tool collection. Level up when you're ready. A garden fork is perfect for turning soil and showing those roots who's boss. And finally, the hoe, your secret weapon against weeds and compacted soil. All right, green thumbs and soon-to-be plant parents. This is the moment you've been waiting for. It's planting time. Grab your favorite trowel, cape optional, and let's give those plants a 5-star welcome. First, dig a hole about twice as wide as your plant's root ball. Think of it as rolling out the red carpet, just with more dirt. Next, give those roots a gentle wiggle. They've been cooped up in that pot. Let them stretch out. Tuck your plant in with soil, press down gently, and give it a big drink. No tiny sips here. Make sure those roots are soaked. Think spa day, not desert hike. And don't forget, give your plants some personal space. No one likes a crowded garden party. Some plants need elbow room, others are happy to snuggle. Check what your green guests prefer. Pro tip: the plant tag or seed packet is your cheat sheet. Use it. Your future jungle will thank you. Hey garden heroes, ready to unlock the secret sauce for lush, thriving plants? Spoiler alert, it's water. Plants don't just like water. They throw a party every time you give them a good drink. Here's the trick. Water deeply, but not every day. Think of it as a spa day, not a daily shower. Aim for early mornings or late evenings. Your plants will thank you, and you'll dodge the midday sunburn. Watering at these times keeps precious moisture from vanishing into thin air. Not sure if it's time to water? Go full detective, stick your finger in the soil. If it's dry an inch down, it's time for a drink. If it's damp, let your plants chill a bit longer. Master watering, and you'll have the happiest, healthiest garden on the block. Go on, make it rain. Picture this. You, the hero, and your garden, under attack by sneaky weeds and pesky bugs. But don't worry, you've got this. Weeds are like uninvited guests at a garden party, stealing water, nutrients, and all the snacks. Yank them out regularly, and your plants will thank you. Use your hands or a trusty hoe. Think of it as your garden's secret weapon. Loosen that soil and show those weeds the exit. Now keep your eyes peeled for pests. They're the real party crashers. Check under leaves for bite marks or tiny critters. If you spot trouble, don't panic. Arm yourself with natural pest fighters like insecticidal soap or neem oil. They're tough on bugs, gentle on your plants. And here's a pro tip. Invite some garden superheroes, ladybugs and lacewings. These little legends gobble up pests faster than you can say aphid apocalypse. Plant vibrant flowers to roll out the red carpet for your bug buddies. The more, the merrier. So suit up, stay sharp, and let your garden thrive, pest-free and fabulous. Ready to keep your garden thriving, not just surviving? Here's the secret. A little TLC goes a long way. As I mentioned before, water your plants like you're their personal hydration coach. Consistency is key. Feed them with a dash of fertilizer. Think of it as their morning smoothie. Organic options? Even better for those plant gains. Mulch is your garden's secret weapon. It locks in moisture, blocks out weeds, and keeps roots cool, like a spa day for your soil. Bark chips, straw, or even shredded leaves. Pick your favorite mulch and let your plants chill. And don't forget the best part, harvest often. The more you pick, the more your garden gives back. It's like magic, but tastier. So go on. Show off those homegrown veggies and enjoy every bite. Your garden's cheering you on. Stop scrolling because you, yes you, are officially a gardener now. Whether your thumbs are green or suspiciously smudged with potting soil, you've just unlocked the first level of garden greatness. Here's the deal. Plants don't just need sunlight and water. They thrive on your wild pep talks and the occasional "you got this little sprout." Trust me, your marigolds are listening. So what's next? Grab those gloves, channel your inner plant whisperer, and let's turn that patch of dirt into a jungle of joy. Got a weird garden hack? Like singing to your zucchinis or using coffee grounds for supercharged soil? Drop it in the comments or tag #Rhokins Homestead on social. We want your secrets. If you cracked a smile or learned a trick, hit that like button like you're squashing a garden pest. Subscribe for more green goodness and ring the bell so you never miss a single sprout. Thanks for hanging out at Rhokins Homestead, where every day is a new chance to grow something epic. Whether you're a rookie or a root-bound pro, you belong here. So what are you waiting for? Let's dig in, get messy, and grow something amazing together. Happy gardening!